Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So first of all, I need one dragon fruit. So now we're gonna cut this. Okay. Is that so easy? Yeah. Now we put inside the blender. We need next is the ice. I have these 2 trays of ice cubes. Yeah. So what we do is we take out first. And we put this one in the blender. Next ingredients that we need is condensed milk, half a cup. Yeah, so we put inside. And 300 ml water. Yeah, so now what we do is just blend this. So this is it guys, this is my own version of dragon fruit smoothie. Yeah, so thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to like and share and also subscribe for more upcoming recipes.